Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you're at the Hux World, and today, listen, Samsung is back in the news. They got another patent out in the wild. This patent is about a true bezel-less display, which is gonna look awesome, right? Now, Samsung is saying that this stretch of 180-degree curve that they're gonna put on the smartphone from top to bottom, all the way around. Again, a true bezel-less display. This phone is gonna look gorgeous. No notch, no nothing. Camera up under the display. Sensors up under the display. Fingerprint scanner, most definitely, it better be up under the display. Listen, I can't wait for this phone to hit the market. Now, you already know, we already have, well, Samsung, I say we, like I'm with Samsung, but Samsung has a patent out for what is being called the Galaxy X, a foldable display. Now, remember, Samsung debuted a foldable display, which looked cold about 3-4 years ago, right? That never hit the market yet, right? So this foldable display that we're getting, we don't know if it's gonna look like the Yom or if it's gonna look like this clamshell that I think is ugly as all outdoors. And could these two smartphones come out at the same time? Now, we know it's not going to hit the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus simply because we already got an idea of what this phone is going to actually look like. And they're stretching the bezels out top and bottom a little bit, so it's going to give it more of an infinity display. But this bezel-less display is going to look cold. Are you waiting for one? Because I am. I can't wait till it hit the market, right? But the question is, how much is such a display going to cost? Now, the iPhone X costs somewhere around $1,100 or so. That's before Apple Care and all of that. How much do you think that this new bezel-less display is going to cost? So let's say it costs $1,200. Are you willing to spend $1,200, $1,300 on such a smartphone? Me, personally, yeah, for a bezel-less display that looks like this, yes, I'm going to get it. No problem. Listen, I'm going to just save my duckies. You know, I'm going to cut back on some things. But listen, I'm getting this phone once it hit the market. I'm hoping that it comes for the Galaxy Note 9. If it doesn't, then it doesn't. I have to wait till next year in order to get it with the Galaxy 10, which is probably going to be called the Galaxy X. Who knows, right? So my question to you is that, what do you think? Do you think this is going to hit the market anytime soon? And if the price is up there, somewhere around $1,200, $1,300, are you willing to pay for such a smartphone? All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.